Hi, it's Mike with Itty Bitty Micro Farm, and today we're going to talk about the one thing every microgreen grower hates doing, cleaning trays. We got a couple methods to make it easier. Let's get into it. All right, we all know we hate cleaning trays, but it's a necessary thing you have to do. Best thing we found out is to empty the trays right after harvest, get these things cleaned up after harvest, get it all dumped out. If you got chickens, throw it out to chickens, put it in the bin, wherever you're putting your waste. Get it done right away and then sort them. And show a video here like where we sort them all out and have them all arranged, ready to go for us to clean, and that way it's organized, ready to go. So right after done harvesting, make sure you clean the trays out, get all that debris dumped out that you can, and then we'll get into cleaning here. All right, we're over here at the 3-compartment sink that we got installed. Now you can do this in any way you want to do it. You can do it in a kitchen sink, double, have a bin over. There's many ways of doing it without a 3-compartment sink, but obviously this is much easier. We didn't start this way, but we upgraded to this as we got along. So 3-compartment sink. In here, in this one, I'm just going to spray them down really good and get them clean, and I'll show that here to you. And we just get them cleaned, get them scrubbed down as best as possible, get all the debris out of it here. And then we really scrub them down in our second sink here, which has got the soap in it. And we scrub them down really, really good to get every last little bit of the debris out. But we want to get most of the dirt done in that first one. And then you get the debris done here, the stuff you can't get stuck on. We use a little handheld scrubber to scrub it down, gets it really good. You get in the corners really good with that. And then we have our rinse sink. We use this to rinse it off. That rinses it off. We let them sit there for a few moments just to rinse. And then we go over to our big tub here. And this is our sanitizing tub. And we just set the trays in this, standing up. And we just let them sit there for a few minutes. Now in the sanitizer, whatever sanitizer you're using, how much water you're using, just use whatever the instructions is on the bottle or on the container, and that'll be fine for this as well. So just do that, let them sit in there for a few minutes, sanitize, and then we let them dry on our drying rack. Let them sit there and dry, and then we put them away on the shelf. All right, we're now over here at the drying station, and we just clean them, sanitize them. We bring them over here, stand them up, let them dry. This is our lettuce drying rack for when we do lettuce in the field. But with the micro trays, we just put them on here. We blow the fans down on them, and it gets them nice and dry in just a few minutes. This one's just been sitting for a little bit. It's almost dry. The ones back here are completely dry. There, they're almost completely dry. With that fan blowing on them, they'll finish drying when they go on the rack, when they sort them over there on the rack, and they'll be good to go. This way we make sure you sanitize, dry them out completely, and they're ready to go. So we appreciate you guys tuning in and listening, and we will see you in the next one.